I'm Myra Yergin, and I'm a caseworker with the Washoe County Human Services Agency. Welcome to Washoe County Human Services Agency Foster Care and Adoption Orientation. This is an opportunity for you to learn about our programming and the next steps to become a licensed foster or adoptive parent. In this presentation and in future trainings, you will often hear us refer to foster parents as resource parents. We hope you enjoyed the presentation and be sure to fill out the questionnaire at the end, and a foster care recruiter will be in touch with you for the next steps. Who needs you? There are approximately 800 to 1,000 children birthed through age 18 in the Washoe County Human Services Agency foster system. When children cannot live safely in their home as a result of abuse or neglect, and no appropriate non-custodial parent, relative, or close family friend is willing or able to care for them, the court can give temporary legal custody to Child Protective Services, or CPS. CPS temporarily places these children in foster care. Foster care is meant to be temporary until a permanent living arrangement is found. CPS strives to ensure quality services are provided, and a variety of initiatives are designed to increase placement options to better match the needs of each individual child. New children come into the foster care system daily, resulting in a continuous need for new qualified foster parents, adoptive parents, respite care providers, and mentors. The goal of HSA's foster care system is to ensure the safety, permanency, and well-being of children who either temporarily or permanently cannot be safely maintained in their own homes. Foster care is intended to be temporary until a permanent placement can be made. While in foster care, a caseworker is assigned to the child and their family to assist with case plan development and to work on minimizing the safety threats in the family so the child can be safely returned home. This process is also referred to as reunification. Foster parents are involved in the process and are a big part of the team.
Greetings, I'm Mitch Matthews, licensed social worker. The goal of our adoption program is to find families for children, not children for families. Our program is child-focused. Families wishing to adopt are a valuable resource to us for the placement needs of Washoe County's children. Adoption is a social and legal process which establishes the relationship of parent and child between people who do not have this relationship by birth. It provides the same rights and obligations that exist between children and their biological parents. The primary intention of adoption services is to provide children permanent families when their birth families cannot rear them. The needs of the children are the primary determinant of the total service, with full recognition of the interdependent needs and interests of birth families and adoptive parents. We are looking for families for children, not children for families. To become a trained and cleared respite care provider, 6 hours of training, a background check, and a home inspection is required. Network and utilize currently resourced and licensed foster adoptive parents as future respite care needs. Resource parents who are fully employed are also eligible to apply for Children's Cabinet Child Care Subsidy for full-time daycare. It is important to recognize respite is a service we provide to our licensed foster homes, as we understand the emotional freight associated with being a full-time foster care provider. Additionally, respite care provides a unique opportunity for families who are interested in foster care but not sure if they're ready to make the commitment of having children placed in their home on a full-time basis. Respite care provides an opportunity for families to experience our children in their home whilst also providing much-needed support and breaks for our full-time foster parents. This process consists of a post-orientation interview, an application, 16 hours of training, and to participate in a home study. Child abuse and local law enforcement screening includes all persons living in the home over the age of 18. We also must submit a release that allows us to obtain law enforcement and child protective service history on any adult members of the home. We typically search history from the past 10 years, but we may seek further if necessary. Licensure may be denied based on the results of an applicant's criminal background check. It's worthy to note failure to disclose criminal background history during the early stages of the application process may also be reason for denial of your application. After submission of a completed application and completion of pre-service training, a home study will be completed. The home study process is typically completed in 30 days. During this time, a representative from licensing will arrange to visit you at your home, to meet you and complete a home inspection, health and safety check to determine if the home meets the safety standards and is able to provide a healthy and nurturing environment. Families who will be providing foster care to non-related children will be required to sign a contract with Washoe County Human Services Agency prior to receiving children into their home. Upon issuance of a license and signed contract, you will be contacted to consider taking placement of a foster child that fits the parameters of your license.
This concludes our orientation, and we hope that you've enjoyed your time with us. Please visit our website for more information. Thank you.